Okay, y'all, this is episode 3 of the Freightliner Classic XL. Today I got me some help here. I got Uncle June, he over here taking the seats apart. But before we remove these seats out, we gonna show y'all how he got these boats. I was looking forever trying to take these boats off right here. Y'all see his ladybugs all through this. And he found some inner boats where you could take the seat off and leave a plate. So we gonna just leave a plate, but I don't know, we might still have to remove the plate to move the floor. But I ordered the panels to cover these wires back up, and as you guys can see, the first cabinet has already been removed. I just used the pry bar after I took the back screws out, and I've already lifted the carpet up off the floor. And we're gonna, once we take the seats out, we're going to just sweep the floor out and remove all the rubber and see if we can remove the rest of the cabinets. I'm probably gonna leave this upper cabinet because it looked like it's too embedded into this wall, but I at least want to take these two bottom cabinets out so that it can be more space and we can get to the wall vinyl. So we're gonna pause this video for now. Stay tuned, you guys. All right, y'all, so this is what we got. We have removed the seats out, put all the rest of the stuff in here. Now I'm about to take this shop back and clean up this floor a little bit, and then I'm going to start ripping out probably working on that cabinet and trying to rip out, hopefully I can get these pieces off right here and see if I can start ripping out some of this rubber I mean. So I'm gonna pause this video, but it's looking pretty good. And once again, thank you and shout out to Uncle June, because I would not have been able to do this without him. He came through and ripped out these seats with ease. It would have probably taken me hours to look for those bolts. I thought that you were supposed to remove these bolts, but there were some bolts inside of the frame of the seat that you had to remove. So he thankfully is a mechanic, so he ripped it out, and it took him about 30 minutes for both. All right, you guys, so this is what we got so far done today. We got the seats removed. We got both of the bottom cabinets removed. It's still a bit, we got the back rubber or carpet removed on the floor inside. And when we come back, we're going to take this pry bar and remove these panels and strip out this rubber flooring. The dash looks the same, but we have to stop our job because it's about to rain. And so we have to hurry up and put our parts. Those are the cabinets that came out of here. The seats are already at the curb over there. So we're about to pack everything up, and the next time we do this video, we're gonna be removing this cabinet and this cabinet and cleaning, completely stripping out these seats. By the way, I priced this piece of rubber out at the Freightliner dealership, and they told me that it cost $1,700 for that. So we won't be buying one of those and putting it back in. So if you guys have any suggestions on flooring options, definitely drop them in the description box. And if you guys have any suggestions for the back area, this is what we're working with now that we have more room. But I gotta get out of here, you guys, because it's about to rain and start storming, and we weren't able to put the dash on, but I was able to start on the spray panels, spraying the panels, but I have to sand them down and do the clear coat on it. I may show you guys that in the next video, so stay tuned, you guys.